Mawaya. Oh, yeah, say your waza. Almost say your waza. Baby, say your. Baby, you want see Mawaya. Oh, yeah, say your waza. Almost say your waza.
Shake it. Fresh on the beat.
Okay, need this. Okay, need that. Ya masila, masileba. Ye uro sisi kela joku ke no bula that. Oh, bula that. Ndarisha, ye bare kun bite kun nesesi. E kun doro we. Anu huna le kun to la moro. Oh no no. O fe sala. O ma sala. Ay ay ay. $1 billion. $1 billion. Ay ay ay. O fe sala.
Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. So I'm glad that you guys came back to see this video, and I know it's been a long time since I uploaded a video, but it's a whole nother conversation. It's actually a whole nother video, and I will be releasing a video explaining like why I took some time off. And you know, having a YouTube channel is not easy, but I don't want to get into details because that's not what this video is about. So this video is me getting dressed, doing my hair and makeup. I didn't do an outfit because I don't know what I want to wear yet, so I didn't do an outfit. But if you want to see this makeup look and how I quickly straightened my hair, stay tuned. Also, the specs of this hair is not in this video yet because I'm still experimenting with the hair, and also I will be making a separate video of me reviewing the hair. But so far, sis, like this hair, hold on, let me turn around. This hair is really giving me life. Anywho, thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will be trying my best to release more footage. It actually takes a lot of time, but I will try my best to do so. If you have any questions, leave it down below. I will also leave my social media down below as well. So enjoy this video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Okay guys, so I always start by moisturizing my face with my Pearlessence Argan and Vitamin E oil and my rose water. I'm going in with my e.l.f. tone adjusting primer. Now I'm going in with my brow pencil from Primark. I'm gonna brush up my eyebrows and then fill them in.
What is it? Girl, where you want where Davido no fi do? What is it? Girl, where you need where Obio no fi do? All the girls got eyes on me, got eyes on me, but I got my eyes on you, got eyes on you. I go buy you diamond.
Now I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit in the color medium. I start with the lightest color at the bottom, and at the top I use a dark color, but towards the end of my brows I use the same color that I used at the bottom. This ensures me that my eyebrows are really neat but doesn't give me that halo effect. I'm using my Real Technique pointed brush to apply my highlighter.
Calm down, girl, you have to relax. A remedy, baby, your piggyback. Give me kiss and I won't give you cash. But I want to know what thing you know before this check can balance in it. Because I'm a man of frustration. She said she won't come my place. See the girls I rotate. You the make I won't hide my face. I'm a man of frustration. She said she won't come my place. See the girls I
Going in with my concealer brush, I'm going to use that to clean up my edges. Finally, I'm going in with my Real Technique buffing brush to really buff out all of that concealer. Now I'm going to apply some concealer to my lids so that the eyeshadow color that I use really pops. Going into my Morphe 350 eyeshadow palette, I'm going to go in with this brown color to really color in my crease. Going in with this eyeshadow brush from BH Cosmetics, I'm going to use this red color to soften up my brown crease.
Oh my God, hey. When she come for the area, say all the man them Joe, all the boys down Kulugu, say let them dance to Kulugu. You feeling me, baby, while I'm golo. I'm the king of the Kunto.
For my lids, I'm going in with my e.l.f. Shimmering Highlighting Powder in the color Bronze Glow.
You know the days you don't take, say baby give me your love, because I love you with all my heart. Go romance me now. Oh wind up, hey yeah, oh my, school, oh mama, oh father, oh nana.
Going back into that palette, I'm using the same brown and red color that I used in my crease to clean up.
Oh my God, if you give me love, I give you more. Oh my God, if you want me, girl, I want you. Oh my baby, what you do, I do to you. I like my love, not the cocoa. If I give it to you, girl, you go Jogodo.
For lashes, I'm using these lashes that I got from AliExpress for only 84 cents a pack. Yes, sis, 84 cents. For my foundation, I'm going in with my NARS Sheer Glow foundation in the color Khartoum, as well as mixing my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 480.
I'm the king of the Kunto, and they loving the way I do this uncle. Yeah, I'm a kawaii and Jogodo. Same that baby, come be mine now. I don't want shit down. You know the days you don't take. I don't want shit down. Say baby, give me your love. I don't want shit down. Because I love you with all my heart. Go romance me now. Oh, wind up, hey yeah, oh my, school, oh mama, oh father, oh nana. I said
For highlighting, I'm going back into my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm using that bright color to apply it right directly under my eyes and all the spots that I highlight. Then lastly, I'm going to go in with the darker shade to kind of tone down the colors.
So say money day for the occasion. You wanna hey tapa. I like the way your body goes sapa. Girl oh faka, oh tanta. Baby girl you do me like that Santa. Oh, if you give me your love and attention, you will never have to mention. You will be my direction every time you go by the area. All the man them go ajo, all the boys them go. Say let me do dance go. Baby while I'm go.
Using my sculpting brush from Real Technique, I'm going to blend that all in. Okay guys, so my camera died, so I went ahead and blended in my concealer. So we're gonna set, and I did my eyeliner. For setting, I'm going in with Sasha Buttercup as well as my NARS facial powder. My NARS facial powder is much darker, so I go in with that first, and then I use the Sasha Buttercup to go over that. I feel like using Sasha Buttercup on its own for someone that's dark skinned gives you this really pale and washed out look.
Dotman Kuraja.
Even jazz on the beat.
I'm a to carry, I'm a to that away. She got the confidence, good at Kimberua. She dey make me feel like a day heaven, yeah. She know it's my low, she be a level. I go carry my woman, we go fly away. Because when money no day, now
using my powdered brush, I'm going to make sure to blend in all of that powder.
I am lucky to have you as my woman, yeah. Baba my genji, yeah, my genji show. Ilero told you, yeah, want me, yeah, can show me a bell, Kori mama for ya,
I'm going in with my CoverGirl True Blend Minerals powder in the shade 435. I really adore this powder because it's like a highlighter for your whole face.
It's your beauty, no be surgery, now so God create you. Anybody say you no be the finest, I swear them they hate you. It's your beauty, do me something forever, I let you. Anybody say you no be the finest, I swear them they hate you. Oh baby girl, I'm glad you good to be all about.
You guys know that feeling you get when you're in the middle of doing your makeup and you look just so good? Like, that's what was going on. Going in with my rose water, I'm going to use that to set my whole face. I went back in again because I literally love to drench in my setting spray because I feel like it just brings the whole look together. For highlighting, I'm going back in with that e.l.f. shimmering highlighter.
I am lucky to have you as my woman, yeah. Baba my genji, yeah, my genji show. Ilero told you, yeah, want me, yeah, can show me a bell, Kori mama for ya,
This mascara a few months ago, so I'm not sure what the name is, but I know it's from Target. For my lip combo, I'm going in with a brown pencil, my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, as well as my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color London.
Juls, baby.
I get a girl where they trouble me, oh. She just bust my brain. She they say she want my sugar cane. She they twist my dress. Yeah, you sweet, yours. Yeah, you turn me up. And I'm in the grace for your body. So. Tell me what I've done to you. All I need is got to love for you.
Okay guys, so we have officially tuned into the next section of this video, which is hair. This is the finished results of our makeup. Really calm and simple. I don't like doing too much with makeup anymore. So for my hair, I went out last night, so it's already been straightened, but it needs to be touched up a little bit. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. So firstly, I make sure to always detangle. I feel like that's so important to avoid shedding. Then I go in with my hot comb that I've already preheated, and I use that over the top to really just flatten everything down and get rid of the flyaways.
She got ass like a baby. She want put it on the table. Give me some label.
Now I'm going to flat iron my hair in sections. I'm going to start from the top because I feel like that's the most important part. Making sure that all the hairs are flat, and then I start working my way towards the end. Now that I'm done straightening, I'm going in with my Got To Be Glue Freeze Blasting Spray. I'm going to spray that on my palm and put that over the top to get rid of the flyaways.
They better get used to the flex. African man, you see the jewels on my neck. Black James Bond, that's the new silhouette. You see me in the street and I was moving correct. Been running around trying to do the home run.
Okay guys, thank you so much for tuning in. So we've done hair, we've done makeup, and I will be right
counting
back.
my blessings, I'm feeling special. Bird's eye view, SK level. Give them the shaku when I dance with the devil. Young fella Kuti, the return of the rebel. I told her I need some space. Real busybody, never stay in one place. And she knows I got more tricks under my sleeve. That's why she never wants me to leave.
She tell me, bad man, see I need your love. See I need your love. Me need you close to me. Me tell her say me, oh stay on the road. But then